Hello everyone, welcome to this math question where we will need to find the new monthly salary by Ronald as his salary is increased by 6%. There are lots of ways to solve this. I would like to find first the increase, which is 6% of $3,000. And that will be $180. So it's new. Monthly salary is therefore equals to, we just need to add the increase. We are done with this question. So if you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ronald here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.